Deepmind AI that cracked 50-year-old problem of protein folding. And that, I mean, you can probably speak to more of the detail. What I found interesting was the idea of the application of the AI to try to figure this out, because obviously it's an area of interest that that everyone wants to crack, along with a lot of these other topics too. But the idea that you could apply an AI and come up with answers is fascinating.
Well, this to me is way bigger than a computer beating a human at chess, or a computer beating a human at Go. I mean, this is amazing. Proteins are incredibly complicated. So it's very easy to know what the constituent amino acids of a protein is, but it's almost impossible to know how they actually fold. And in the past, it's been done with effectively crystallography and X-ray diffraction, and it takes people, let's just say it takes people a long time to work out how a protein is folded. And that's what gives it its biological activity. The fact that AI could do this is absolutely mind-blowing, because it means, one, that there must be a pattern that we as humans haven't been able to work out, and two, the implications of it are incredible for creating drug delivery or understanding how coronavirus or AIDS works, because we would know what their protein structures are, where the key active regions are, and their mode of action, or indeed their mode of stopping them through vaccines. So this is just mind-blowing that AI can do something as complicated as that so quickly, where humans traditionally have taken years to do a single protein. So,
and it's a good news. It's a good news story for AI as well, because the traditional views of this sort of thing is it's all doomsday dystopian stuff that AI is dangerous, etc. And this is actually a really good story to highlight the opposite, almost in a way.
I completely agree. This is absolutely probably one of the best outcomes you could ever get from AI, because for health and medicine, and we've just been talking about a story about aging. Well, if there was any way to truly reverse the effects of aging, this technology will have something to do with it.
Absolutely.
So, I don't think it's very hard to convey how important this breakthrough is, but it's far bigger than a computer thinking like a human, which has been the traditional sort of focus of AI, or being able to complete a human task. This is where AI can do something that quite clearly to date humans really haven't been able to do, except through trial and error.